तो कैसे हैं गाइस, मैं लौट चुका हूँ टकीला भाई नया चैप्टर लेके। टाइटल से धोखा मत खाना, चैप्टर 32 नहीं, चैप्टर 33। ये लोग बहुत ही खड़िया किस्म के लोग हैं। द ट्रू मैन्स वर्ल्ड पार्ट 1। तो ये जा रहे हैं, इनको क्या घोड़े का मुर्दा मिला? किसी ने अपना किसी ने किसी और का घोड़ा मार के लटका दिया। Shit। आप देखते हैं क्या होगा। तो फोर्थ स्टेज का हम पहले वो देख लेते हैं कि रोड मैप क्या रहेगा। द स्मॉल टूमस्टोन इन द वाइड वाइड फील्ड। कैनन सिटी से कैंसर सिटी जाना। तो कैनन सिटी यहाँ है, कोलोराडो, साइना क्रूज, डॉज सिटी, हचनीज, और फिर लास्ट में कैंसर सिटी। 11th डे ऑफ फोर्थ स्टेज, 650 किलोमीटर टू कैंसर सिटी। तो हम सीधा फोर्थ स्टेज के 11वें दिन पे स्किप कर चुके हैं स्टोरी में। हमने यार मुझे देखना था जायरो और जॉनी की क्या बात हुई स्टेज 3 के बाद। कोई नहीं, इन्होंने दिखाना जरूरी नहीं समझा। लुक जायरो, इट्स हिम, ही इज कमिंग दिस वे। What what does what the hell does he want? Is anybody with him? He's a lone wolf. He's currently got 155 points and is ranked third. An American. His age and real name are unknown, as well as any other information about him. But he's on a good horse. He's also no hillbilly, judging by the way he carries himself. What should we do? Talk to him? No, just ignore him. और ये फिर ये बंदा आ गया, हॉट पैंट्स नाम था मेरे हिसाब से। ये होगा कोई म्यूजिकल बैंड का नाम, जैसे जो में रेफरेंसेस नॉर्मली रहते हैं। मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है। इसने 2 फांसी के फंदे लटका दिए पेड़ से। गुड डे टू यू बोथ। कैसे अमेरिकन एक्सेंट कैसे दू? पॉश अमेरिकन एक्सेंट। गुड डे टू यू बोथ। लेट्स कीप द चिट चैट एंड गेट स्ट्रेट टू द पॉइंट। नाउ आई विल नाउ हैंग यू बोथ फ्रॉम द ट्री। क्यों भाई? You ate my cow, didn't you? It was a cow that I paid for in advance to be grazing on this course. तो वो जो लटका हुआ मुर्दा था वो किसी का घोड़ा नहीं, एक काऊ थी जो इसने पैसे दिए थे कि कोर्स पे लटका देना, मैं आके खा लूंगा। The penalty of cow theft. The penalty of cow theft is to be hanged. Put those ropes around your necks. That is the law in this place. There is no need for a trial. और HP लिखा है। What the fuck is this guy saying? भाई सही बात है, मैं भी यही सोच रहा था। जॉनी नहीं बोलता तो मैं ही बोल देता। Oh, that brand. Gyro. I wouldn't touch that. There's an owner. जॉनी ने सही बात कही थी जायरो को। Look at this closely, Johnny. The coyotes already ate most of it. I'm just going to take about 600 grams before it's all gone. तो वैसे जायरो की भी पूरी गलती है नहीं। जायरो, oh, hold on. I don't know the laws of this country too well. And कहाँ गया जायरो? हैं? अच्छा नहीं, यो वही बंदा गायब हो गया। और वो कूद के अचानक से इसके पास आ गया, जायरो के पास। और जायरो ने अपनी बॉल निकाली, स्टील बॉल, और वो अटैक करने वाला है। घुमा रहा है अपनी बॉल को, और इसने कुछ स्प्रे कर दिया, और वो स्प्रे इस पे हाथों पे चिपक गया। और एक सेकेंड, ये जायरो की उंगलियां मिक्स हो गई। जायरो की उंगलियां गल के आगे पीछे चली गई। क्या? ये कैसे? दिस गाय। शेर, जायरो की उंगलियां तो पूरी गल वल के। हॉट पैंट्स, ही इज अ स्टैंड यूजर। जॉनी ने अपनी फिंगर नेल गन्स पॉइंट की, और जायरो का हाथ पकड़ लिया उस बंदे ने, और जॉनी की तरफ भी कर दिया। जॉनी भी ऐसे लिक्विडिफाई सा हो गया। व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? माय लेफ्ट आर्म, इट्स श्रिंकिंग। और जॉनी की आंखें चली गई। जॉनी पहले लंगड़ा कम था, अंधा हो गया। और ये स्प्रे करे जा रहा है। भाई माफ कर दे, भाई गलती हो गई। वाह, पैसे ले लेता इनसे। दिस इज फ्लैश फ्रॉम माय आर्म। ही इज टेकिंग द फ्लैश ऑफ माय आर्म। एक सेकेंड, तो ये वापस अंदर अपने स्प्रे कैन के ले रहा है इसका फ्लैश आर्म का। तो जीतेंगे कैसे? इससे जीत भी गए तो आर्म तो इसके पास होगा। तो जैरो की डिसफिगर शक्ल से वो बोल रहा है, एंड ही स्प्रेइंग द फ्लैश ऑन टू मी। द फ्लैश इज मर्जिंग माय ब्रेथ, आई कैंट ब्रीथ। जारो ने अपनी आंख निकाली और यहां से देखने लगा। इसकी स्पाइन दिख रही है, और इसकी स्पाइन पे मारा एकदम बीचों बीच। चलो यार, ये आंख तो बहुत ही जल्दी काम में आ गई और इस बंदे को बहुत जोर से लगी। और इसके हाथ से वो गिर गया। जॉनी नाउ शूट, आई लॉक बोथ ऑफ हिज आर्म्स। ही कैन मूव हिज आर्म्स बट इट विल ओनली लास्ट 2 सेकेंड। इसके हाथ से वो गिर गया और वो वापस जा रहा है। हरी अप एंड शूट, आई हैव डिस्टेंस माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम हिम, माई ब्रीदिंग इज गोइंग टू स्टॉप सून। Listen, there was a bullet wound on the cow. It was already dead. It wasn't us. We don't carry guns because we don't need them. और इसने शूट किया वहां पे और कुछ लगा। And the wound on his flesh was from a large caliber. It doesn't match with that hole. Check it if you'd like. और ये हॉट पैंट से कह रहा है, For fuck's sake, just shoot him, Johnny. I can't even scratch his shirt off. और ये बंदा ऐसे आया। हाँ, बंदे को नॉर्मल कर दिया, दोनों को, अपने लोगों को नॉर्मल कर दिया और वापस ले गया। ट्रू, what an odd pair. But you did eat the meat. You ate my cow. So I'm not going to apologize. Jeez, cocky bastard. The coyotes are the ones that ate most of it. But that fleshy foam spray. Whoever shot my cow is going to hang. Oh, sorry. Whoever shot my cow is going to hang. Wait, where did you acquire this stand ability? Was it in the desert in Arizona during the second stage Devil's Palm? Not that I'm really interested, bud. Are there others like that? Well, we don't know. Not a clue, really. Gallop, gallop. I would have shot him. He could have been trying to trick us. What if it was a liar? We would have been toast. But it doesn't seem like Hot Pants knows anything about the cops. He doesn't seem to be an enemy. Not a terrorist or from the government. Maybe, but one thing's for sure. I hate his guts, Hot Pants. There's another thing though, that I've realized thanks to him. When I was checking his spine with the spin scan. Turbo. In Latin, turbo can mean cyclone. But there's no such word as turbo on our route or anywhere on this map. Constellation of Turbo, Mount Turbo, Turbo Rock, Tree of Turbo. There doesn't seem to be any name we can associate to it, and I couldn't figure out why it was Turbo in the first place. But then it occurred to me that maybe the meaning of the word turbo isn't the clue. Maybe it's showing us a location through each of these characters. The designs inside the letters aren't decoration. They're numbers. Numbers made of 1 and zeros, which means the binary system. Okay. If we fix this to the decimal system, the 1 would correspond to 1 and 2 to 10, right? 3 is 11, 4 is 100, 5 is 101, 6 is 110, 7 is 111, 8 is, हाँ सही बात कर रहा है। Give me a pen, let's calculate. तो टर्बो 39, 6, 24, 94, 6, तो ये अपने डिजिट्स है बाइनरी सिस्टम से कोडिंग एनकोड करते हो डीकोड। Look it up in the map. I'll read it off. The T at the beginning means horizontal line in Latin. North 39 degrees 6 minutes 24 seconds. तो ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं। B means next. West 94 degree 40 minutes 6 seconds. 1 सेकेंड, ये क्या है 40? अच्छा 94 46, तो ये था टर्बो का मतलब, तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स थे। Where do those numbers meet? Where is it? Kansas City. तो ये जहां पे इनका गोल है वहीं जाके इनको कॉप्स का अगला पार्ट मिलेगा। Is the finish line of the fourth stage really close to it? Looks like it matches with the route of the race, and that's the location of the next course part. But is it possible for an old saint to know about latitudes and longitudes? Numbers have a constant quality. It could be something like prophecy. Sorry about that. Dio, will he realize the same thing with his left eye? Unless he's a lady Edith. But that's probably not the case. We should probably anticipate that he's come to the same conclusion as us. But the terrorists won't know either way. Our goal is the same, to finish in the first place. Kansas City. It is then. The next corpse part. और ये गए abandoned झोपड़ी, huh? This house. Wait a second, Jairo. This place doesn't This place, didn't we pass this place before? Hmm? Mailbox. Houses around here, they're all built the same way. Look, Gyro. ये तो वही है. It's the meat. We're back where the meat is again. This is bad. We have come back the road we came from. Wait. But where did we go wrong? We have lost 20 minutes. Shit, that's Hot Pants guy went to right when he went left. When he left and we followed. We were going the opposite direction. That guy is a plague. I can't believe this. Is this what I get for eating just 600 grams of meat? I swear that guy is stealing all of my luck. But we know the location in the Kansas City, thanks to him. Johnny, are you on his side or something? No, Johnny, are you on his side or something? That was his scheme. He went right on purpose to trick us. The correct direction is that way. We are strong. We are going back. Straight through this road by Orchard. Turn left at the end of the road. Turn left again. And finally right. और ये फिर उधर आ गए. ये किसी लूप में फंस गए. कोई अपनी स्टैंडेबिलिटी यूज करके इनका टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है. What the hell? Is the same cow? Is that the same cow? The same piece of meat? Why are we here again? Maybe we didn't go back on the same road. Maybe there are smaller paths in the orchard. And we happened to go through those without realizing we were coming back to where we began. That's impossible. We only turned at 3 corners. Our hoof marks are still left. Let's follow these track and back and find the right way. Shit, lost another 20 minutes. Hurry. That's 40 minutes total. We have wasted 40 minutes in a single day. Dio's going to get ahead of us. और ये बैक ट्रैक करके फिर उस साइड से आए जिस साइड से इनको नहीं आना चाहिए. What the hell is this? You've got to be kidding me. We've only turned once on the road we've come. Are you two lost too? How many times has it happened? Right there. Don't come any closer. Stop right there. This is a warning. I've lost nearly an hour here. No matter which path I take, I come back to this spot. The plums grown here in this orchard contain a lot of iron. That could be the reason my compass doesn't seem to be pointing in the right direction. Hot Pants, don't come any closer. We're thinking that you could be tracking us. This is the 4th time I've come back here. Look at my tracks. They passed through here 4 times, don't they? Why? I'm the one that wants to know. So what's that to us? Get lost already. We are never going to trust you anyways. Got that? Then I'll be the one to trust you. You two aren't bad people. If you were, I'd have already killed you. How's that? What was that supposed to mean, Johnny? What's he talking about? I guess he's saying that since we're both lost, we should work together and find the right path. I said it before, but it's my opinion that he isn't an enemy. Tell him to go eat shit, Johnny. Tell him yourself. Eat shit, asshole. Fall off your horse. I'll be looking for the same path. Let's just cooperate until we find the main road. कहता जानी को उसको eat shit कहने को क्या कहता खुद बोल दे तो चिल्ला भी दिया eat shit asshole. So let's say that we do trust you. What's in it for us if we cooperate? I'll let you have some quality food if you're with me. Okay. Gyro, is this what he eats every day? It's a roast beef sandwich. Holy crap, it's even got onions and eggs. There's no poison. Look, that house. Looks like somebody's in here. It looks worn out, but it must be inhabited. और चिमनी से धुआं आ रहा है, अंदर से आवाज आ रही है. Let's ask whoever lives there for directions. We'll just be stuck here if we don't ask. Shit, here again. That's this same place again, son of a bitch. You guys, are you guys lost too? Hey, that's Gaucho. He finished 10 on the 3rd stage. That son of a bitch again, always at the curtain by the door. Always by the damn curtain. I've asked him over and over again how to get out of this orchard. And each time this is what he says. You'll find your way out after you kill me. That's it. I can't stand this. I'll give him what he wants. Get your ass out here, you liar. I'll shoot you dead just as you wish. Show yourself, coward. और ये बंदा अपनी शक्ल ये तो एकदम स्टाइलिश बुढ़ा है. ओ माय गॉड, इतना ज्यादा स्वैग जोजो लेवल के हिसाब से भी बहुत ज्यादा स्वैग है. और ये अपने पैर रखता है बाहर, अपने गन दिखाता है. अच्छा बुढ़ा नहीं है, बस सफेद बाल है. Then I humbly suggest that we begin. और इस हमने न्यूज़पेपर रखा. Don't fuck with me. If you want to be killed so badly, I'll do it. This is your last chance. Tell me the real path that'll get me out of here. I'm no liar. But if you want to call me that, I don't mind. There's only one correct path. If you want to get out of here, you must kill me. That is the path that is to be taken. A decision that must be made eventually. Hmm? Gyro, is that what it is? What I think it is? Wait, Johnny, I don't really understand the situation. Your hands are shaking. Yes, you are right. Perhaps it is because of fear. That is also correct. But it is possible that the excessive strain on the body could cause it to freeze against one's will. The decision must be made. Allow me to speak of something equally important. That gun on your hip is an 1873 Colt. With this much distance between us, our bullets will most likely not be able to reach their targets. I need you to take 5 more steps in this direction. Although I am in your range, the distance will cause your bullet to land approximately 10 centimeters to the right. It will take you 5 more steps to accurately hit me. Your chances of hitting me are limited if you are 5 steps behind. What will it be? Were you only lying when you said you wanted to shoot me? You too. This looks serious. It's your decision, should you choose to quit. But in that case, you would be the liar, not me. I can't stand this any longer. और इस हमने गन निकाली और ये क्या हुआ, खड़ा हुआ अजीब तरह से, अपनी ट्रिगर पुल की, इसे निकाला और इसको गोली पहले ही मार दी इसने, बंदे ने। इसने तो नहीं मारी अब तक, और इसके कंधे पे लगी। जायरो, और इसका कंधा एकदम ब्लडी हो गया। आ और फिर क्या हुआ, इसने और बहुत सारी मारी शॉट्स और ये सब इधर उधर मिस हो गई, पर इसने एक एम लिया, इसने शूट किया डॉट हैंड को सीधा बीच में। डॉट हैंड नहीं है ना, मुझे नहीं पता। अच्छा नहीं, ये तो गौचो था शायद। हाँ, ये गौचो था। गौचो को बीच में लगी, छाती के बीचों बीच, और गौचो मारा गया। नो वे! 5 steps. The shots are accurate from this distance, but the power is still weak. The resistance of the muscles and the chest bone slow the bullet down, and although it has reached the heart, it didn't destroy it completely. तो अभी मरा नहीं गौचो। One more step and you terrible, so hot क्या? How dare you? फिर गन निकाला, hey you stop you, और फिर लेकिन इसने गोली मारी, पर इसने इसको दोबारा मारा बीच में से, और इस बंदे ने इसको खत्म कर दिया। यार बंदा बहुत ही ज्यादा स्टाइलिश है, सफेद बाल होने के बाद भी बूढ़ा लग रहा है, फिर भी एकदम स्टाइल में। हा 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 हा। तो इसने वापस गन अपने उसमें डाल दी, होल्स्टर में। आई थैंक यू। फिर वापस अंदर चला गया। हाँ? Bloody hell! Who is that guy? What's he doing in that house? A racer was just murdered. Gaucho, what's going on? A stand user, but which part? Murder? None of that was against the law. You know, we don't really give a shit. If you want to get involved, go right on ahead. He's probably the one who killed your cow. Come on, Johnny. We can't stay here forever. Let's get out of here. और हाउ विल यू गेट आउट ऑफ हियर? जब उसने कहा कि जा बाहर जाने का क्या तरीका है कि मुझे को मारो। हाँ, चलो ठीक है, अब मिलेंगे अगली बार अगले चैप्टर में। तब तक के लिए बने रहें।